Today we are making Griot and Pikliz. Pikliz. Pickled vegetables. I already made them. Yeah, so both of these required some marinating. And for the Pikliz, it's better if it's done overnight, so I did it almost a full 24 hours. And then the pork was the same way. Right now I have the pork on the stove. It's already marinated and it is boiling for roughly 45 minutes, and then we're gonna fry it. I've seen it done both ways. I've seen it done where they just take it straight from marinating and they awkward moment, you realize that, you know, not fully dressed. Straight from the marinade and straight to boiling it, but the majority of the ways that I was seeing was marinating, boiling, then frying. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, they can't get the lid off. Towel. Don't forget to bring a towel. Oh, sweet Jesus. Yeah. Ew. Why you do this? There you go. I got it. Don't need no stinking man. Oh, that smells very pickled. So this is cabbage and pepper, carrot, onion, shallots. I think there's green onion. It's a lot, and vinegar, obviously. That's a party. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's what it is. There's also habanero pepper. Grocery stores around here are way too white. We don't have Haitian hot peppers or Scotch bonnets. So I settled with habanero. That's really good. It smells phenomenal. I am genuinely excited. We don't eat a lot of pork. Other white meat. Is it the other white meat or the other white? No, the other white meat is human. Yeah. So we don't eat a lot of pork. We don't eat a lot of fried food. So I'm knocking two of them out in one go. But I do think that, you know, like fried meat is fairly heavy. The Pikliz is, it's gonna be beautiful, because it's so just like bright and acidic and just everything going on that it's gonna cut right through any of like the fatty friedness. Sounds very southern. I'm gonna let this cook and yeah.
Big
served with all manner of things like red beans and rice, or plantains. Unfortunately, again, very white stores, we didn't have plantains. It really sucked because I was looking forward to that one. But I am gonna make some rice to put with it. I don't have any beans. So we're gonna have rice and the Griot and the Pikliz, and I think it'll still be good. I will say, overall, it is good, but I feel like if I hadn't boiled it, it would have a lot more flavor. There's flavor, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the ingredients that were in the marinade are like heavy hitter flavors, and it's just very subtle. Yeah. So as far as the flavoring, probably user error, because let's be honest, also white. But I'm excited to try it all together. Even though it's just a slice of the whole experience. But yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna try it all together.
Yep.
The pickled veggies are like slapping. So the pork is the only part that I'm like meh about. And that's because like half the recipes I saw, they marinated it and then boiled it and then fried it. And there was only a couple of recipes that just marinated it and then fried it. Mm-hmm. So I was just like, I don't know, go with the majority. And I feel like it lost a lot of the flavor. Because like, there was some heavy hitting flavors in the marinade.
Yeah.
But it's not bad.
It's spicy, I like it.
What's
Why
that?
is this spicy?
It's a habanero pepper.
Oh, okay.
A teeny tiny little pepper.
Oh, I was like, I taste the vinegar, but it's burning me. The vinegar normally doesn't burn. I'm very confused.
It's okay. I had the same reaction when I tried the Pikliz earlier. Because I tried those first. Because I was just like, oh, I made these. I'm going to try them. And I was like, what is that? Oh, yeah. Look how... Did you want to pick it? Did I want to be rude?
I am eating. I am the rude one.
Ooh! Nepal. Paneer pita? Peta?
Goat?
No. Paneer is cheese.
Goat cheese.
No.
Just regular cheese.
So some sort of cheese. I don't remember what that one is. That's all I got. I'm gonna go eat. And got anything fun to say?
It's not easy to wash your goat in a teaspoon. It's a call out to Mattawee River Theater if you still exist.
I'm gonna go eat. Yeah. I'll see you next Tuesday. Say bye.